fam, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Y'all like this hair? I think it's so cute, so cute. This hair is from Cutie. I like the name, Cutie. Think about it, cutie hair, cutie. Yes, be a cutie with cutie hair. Okay, this hair's from Cutie Hair. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs, no, I didn't style it. I'm running late for work. I still got on my pajamas. I got to get dressed, but I wanted to bring this to you guys so y'all could see it. So if you want to see the specs, the ins, my chair falling. Okay, problem averted. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs of this unit that I really didn't do nothing to, I just wanted, you know, a messy hair day. Y'all please keep on watching, because this hair is a winner. This hair is winner. All right. Okay, guys. Let's get into the box. This way it comes packaged. Feels kind of like, you know, the packaging that you get, to me, in a beauty supply store. But it says it's 22 inches, and it's an 8x5 parting, and it's 200% density. Okay? And inside the box, oh, we get a whole little comb set. Let's open this up. You got a brush, you know, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, which I always use because I bought my own up here. So good to see that. And then you actually get an edge brush. So this is cool. I don't think I ever gotten an edge brush with a wig before. And then inside, you get the wig cap, the HD wig cap. And I like these HD wig caps. They're not as thick. And that's it. This is going to be a quick, easy video as I'm late for work. It's supposed to be there at 8. It's like 8:42, but I wanted to do this video, guys. So I figured I'd do it this morning. Okay. Oh, I can already tell this hair is going to be really soft. Feels really soft. Yes. Look at those curls. Yes. It's 22 inches. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. You know, you can't just see your head. You can't just see the tracks through there. Let's see what the lace looking like. The lace is, yeah, it disappears. Pretty much disappears. But for me, I'm going to put some of my powder inside this cap. Let me grab a brush. Okay, this is just my Benefit Cosmetics. This is my wig powder. Has been now for a couple of years, since 2020 at least, and it's still lasting. So I'm just going to put this to make the lace match my skin tone, so we don't have that little bit of lightness. I'm just going to put that inside of there. Probably won't do anything with it but pop her on because I'm so late for work. But that powder, see that lace? Perfect. Looks perfect. They constructed this cap really good. And y'all, I'm sorry that I'm rushing, but I really want to get this out to you guys. Okay, the inside of the cap, you get an adjustable strap. Thank you. They put a comb in the back. I love that comb in the back. And you don't get any combs on the sides though, but they did put the adjustable strap in there. So I'm just going to take my water bottle and wet this hair down pretty good, because I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm thinking this is it. This is all I'm doing. I got water and conditioner in this bottle, and that's it. And I just want to give it a little bit of a wet look. I need my mousse, but I don't have it upstairs. as I walk out the door, I probably will run some mousse through it just to help it hold the curl. But yeah, that's about it. This is some pretty nice hair. And to be honest, it's not heavy like your normal, what you would expect from 200% density. This is pretty light. I like this. I like this. It does have a little bit of chemical smell, but I'm not getting shedding, so I'm good with that. So let's just get this video done already. Let's pop it on. The strap is good. Oh, I like this. The hairline is good. This is nice. This is really nice. And that little bit of powder, can y'all see the hairline? I think it's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna go put my little bit of powder in there to get me some more scalp realness. And I don't really want to do nothing to this hair. Now this is my kind of 22-inch hair. I don't like long hair. You know, when it comes all down your butt. And if I can get a realistic look like this, baby, this is golden. Now you can part it all the way to over here. You can part it. See? But I just want it to look like a messy hair day since I'm late for work. So that's my excuse. You can part it. Let me find a part. Even right there, you could put a part. Right there. But I just want it to look like this. You know, not really a part. Not really like I comb my hair. Like I got up and I'm late for work. Here I am. Where are my patients? This is it. This is all I want to do. And I bought my little spray in here because I usually just spray one section. But I don't need that with this. This is good like it is. Just need to go around my hairline. Yes. This is all I need. My remote control fell. Yeah, that's realistic. That's really realistic. Okay, QT hair, I see you. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. This is nice. I like how light it is. It's nice and light. Yes, see? Winter hair coming in and coming through. If I was going to spray this, I'd just spray it like right there. I'm only spraying this, you know, so you guys will see. And that's because I got my wig grip on, but I don't have my full wig grip on. And I don't want it to slide. I don't want it my chair. I'm not saying that it will. I don't know if it will or won't. I've never worn it. This is the first time. So that's my little piece of security. Since I don't have any combs, I'll just spray it one time. Right there in the front. This is cute. This is cute. This is me today. And yeah, I'm going to tell you the truth. I never wear long hair down, but I like long hair. I like to take it, do it like this, and put a clamp on it. That's how I wear all my long wigs. Y'all just don't see it. Because it just annoys me to be on my shoulder. Okay, guys, so this is it from QT Hair. I'm not going to do a lot with it. You guys could see, you know, what you want to do, but I'm getting ready to go to work. But the options are endless. It does go from here to here. And the part, let's see how far back. I think it's about right here. You can part it as far back as right there. See? But I didn't want no part in it. And by showing y'all, I put one, but I'm going to scrap it out. I just want it just like this. Just like this. This just the everyday, let me get out the door and go to work. But when I get downstairs, I want a hair on my shoulder. Okay, y'all. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out QT Hair. I'll put all the links and information below in the description. Y'all stay blessed, and I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. Bye, guys.